Once upon a time, there were two princesses, a queen and a trull. The princesses' names were Princess Lali, and Princess Sarala. And the queen's name was Queen Alicia. And the trull's name was Poppy. They had to go to a funeral because their grandma died. So when the funeral was finished, they met up the trull. And the troll gave one of the princesses a flower, and then the princess asked, "Can you help us? We're lost."
Can we be friends? I will help you.
See, Queen Alicia, the troll is friendly.
Let's go to Grandma's house.
So on the way to Grandma's, they had to cross a bridge and they saw a haunted house. And there were rocks all over the road. And when they got to Grandma's house, they saw a lot of zombies.
Let's go inside. There was traps everywhere.
There are 100 rooms. How are we supposed to know which room it is in?
It's in the 99th room.
But then they saw more zombies, and the only thing that will kill them is with meatballs.
So they used their elastic arms to get the treasure.
Yay, we got the treasure!
Let's celebrate with our aunties and uncles, and let us share all our treasure with them.
Yay!
Yay! Everyone scream.